After years of selling my art through Instagram DMs, I am finally ready to launch my website. I started Strokes Art Studio just by posting my paintings online. It was one message at a time and one order at a time. It all started in a small room in my home, and now it has turned into a full-time career. And honestly, this is just because of all the love and support that you have shown. As we started growing, I had a realization. It was that DMs were never really a problem. In fact, I genuinely loved having those one-on-one conversations with the collectors. But the reality was that it was also very time-consuming. It involved some back and forth, finding the details, and also going through things manually. I realized that we need a smoother system without losing the personal touch that I love to have with our clients. That's when I realized that as we go bigger, we need a system and not just DMs. And that's when we started building this, something that we've been needing for so long. And it's finally live. Welcome to the official launch of Strokes Art Studio website. I've also added some smaller, more accessible pieces so that you can own a part of my art without waiting for commissions. This honestly means a lot to me. From working through DMs to having our own website. This is a huge step for us. And honestly, this is all because of you. Also, if you would ever feel like wanting to have a conversation, our DMs are always still open. I don't think that part will ever change. You can check out www.strokesartstudio.com. The link is in the description. I would love to know what you think. Thank you.